Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to pay for Netflix with Apple gift card. First thing I want you to do is go ahead and connect to a US VPN. As you can see, I have done that right here using Urban VPN. Then I want you to go ahead and log into your Netflix account, and then when you reach the section where you choose your plan, click here on next, choose a plan that is right for you, let's say the standard one. Come here, click on next, and then they'll ask you to choose how to pay. What you do here is you select gift code right here, and then you just go ahead and enter your gift card pin or code, and then your zip code, and then you can come here and click on redeem a gift code, and then that amount will be applied to your Netflix account. And if it is a larger amount, it will be credited every single month for your plan. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.